Let's fire up my brain with some nutrition before I speak. Some raw beef fat trimmings, some protein, and a lot of fat. Fat is pure energy. Damn. So I'm a little fired up. If you don't put yourself and your family above everything else, everyone and everything else, you basically hate yourself. Because why would you deprive yourself of the most nutrient-dense food available just because you love animals? That doesn't make sense. You should love yourself more than that. Your own health should absolutely come before the life of an animal. What are the priorities? I don't get it. Nothing more needs to be said. Eat your raw animals and feel happy for the rest of your life. It's that simple.